How to delete your CapCut account. If you want to delete your CapCut account, maybe because of what you're signed in with and you don't want your data to be there inside of CapCut anymore, and then you decide that you would like to delete it. Well, to delete it, fortunately, it's very simple. You just go ahead and then launch the CapCut application, and this is the interface that you will see. Now from here, what you have to do is if you're on a mobile phone, you can go to the menu option. On a desktop, you can see on the top left, we have the menu option. And there you can see the option called account. When you hover over it, you'll find the option that also says delete account. So you can click the delete account button. It will give you a little bit of pop-up to maybe verify your identity to CapCut. So just click on the verify your identity and just go ahead and verify with your Google account or whatever else it is. And once you've done that, hit the continue button. And just like that, you can simply open up CapCut right there. And right here, you can see it says delete account. So you can see all the things that I have. So I will no longer be able to sign in with CapCut, including app, PC, Mac, web, and other versions. I will lose access to the videos that you posted, including templates and tutorials and other benefits. So I can just hit the delete account button if I want to do so. This way, I'll be able to delete my CapCut account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.